Hi, my yarny owlets. How are you all doing? I'm doing good. Yes, I am. Did you see yesterday's video? A lot of you saw it. And I'm glad that you were able to laugh and giggle along with me. I don't know, just had a giggle attack. So yeah, it was all Santa's fault. All right, so you guys have a cup of coffee or tea or something to drink? This is my second cup of coffee. Just 1 sugar, 1 milk. Okay, so I have a couple of things to show you, a couple of crochet items. And a while back, not too long ago, I got an order from the Knitting Network, and I had never ordered from them before. So actually I didn't even know about them until recently, but they're located in the UK and they ship to Canada and the States and other countries. I'm not sure what other countries, but I think quite a few. So I got a Christmas bumper box, which is several different kinds of Christmas yarn. So I'll link that video up here if you haven't seen it, or down below somewhere. And they had actually sent the order in 2 separate boxes due to, they said something about weight and size restrictions or something. So that was fine. I got the second box, and I showed that one too. But it came like, I think not even a week later, maybe a week later. But anyway, the yarns are absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you what I'm working on. Okay, I got some baby yarn. I mean, it doesn't have to be just for babies, right? But I am making a baby blanket. And this is it. It's a CC Babe or Baby. I think it's CC Babe Cake. Yeah, I think it was 3. Yes, I got 3. And what I did was I'm color controlling, so I separated the colors, put the purples and pinks in here, and then there's yellow, blue, green, white, and I had some purples in here as well. But there's a couple of babies coming. Hubby's great niece, it will be having a baby in the new year. And so I wanted to make her a baby blanket. It's a boy. We know it's a boy. And so I started making this with this gorgeous yarn. It is so nice. So it's more long than wide, but I am going to put some kind of border on it, which will make it wider, right? And do you ever have ball hanging from your work and you don't want it to unravel? Just put one of those hair clips from Dollar Tree on there, and it'll hold it. I really didn't like when it was, the ball would fall on the floor and roll, and then you gotta go grab it and roll it all back up. Really annoying. These are the clips that I got. I got 4 of these packages actually. Yeah. Snap clips, these are called, 10 per pack. Anyway, so I'm loving how this blanket is working up. So this will be for the new little boy that'll be coming in the new year. This design is by Sabrina Mallow Juice, and I'll link her tutorial below. It's very textured on both sides, so it's reversible on both sides. There, I think that's a good shot. It's got bumps. Yeah, so this yarn is really nice to work with, really nice. And I'm using a 5mm for this. I think it this color, I'll tell you about the yarn. Okay, does it say? Yes, it actually says a 4mm, but I'm using a 5, and that's how it's coming out. All right, so the yarn, again, CC Babe Cake, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 360 meters, 393 yards. It's 100% acrylic. It says machine washable. It's a lightweight 3. Recommended needle and hook is 4mm. Isn't that such a cute picture on there? The teddy bear, the sock, and the shirt hanging on a line. That is so cute. So cute. So yeah. Very pretty colors. They had different colors at the time. This is color 101. Okay, it doesn't really say how to dry it, but it's machine washable. Yeah. But with being acrylic, it should be able to go in the dryer, right? So that is that one. And the other yarn that I got from the Knitting Network still is Style Craft Cabaret. Double knitting, so that's a DK, which is a lightweight 3. And look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just gorgeous. And sparkly. I really like this. Oh, don't mind my hair today. It's all coming off tomorrow. Wow, a lot of it is. Okay, so this is 99% premium acrylic, 2% polyester, approximately 230 meters, 251 yards, 100 grams by Style Craft. What else do they have here? Knitting needle and crochet hooker, 4mm. Color is Mermaid, 7221, Mermaid. I think it's so beautiful. You know, before I started crocheting, were you like this? You liked certain colors? You had a favorite color? I still really like royal blue and purple, like darker purples. And then once I started crocheting, I love all the colors, all of them. Just all of them. Like normally, I wouldn't go for yellows or like greenish yellows, but I love them now. And I've always liked dark green. That's a dark green. Yeah. So yeah, I like all the colors now. How about you guys? All right, so I got 4 of these. And so I'm designing something. I wanted to design something, a certain thing, and I had started designing using a different yarn. And I'm like, I'm not feeling it. And then I switched to another yarn. I'm like, I'm still not feeling it. I need to have the right yarn. And I hadn't put these yarns away yet. They were still in a box. I have this little narrow table on one of my walls in the dining room with ornaments on it, and the box was sitting on there, and I'm like, oh, yes, I have this yarn. This is gonna work. So, did I finish reading everything to you? Let's see. Oh, you can wash this in 30 degrees Celsius, I guess it is, machine washable. Cool, tumble, dry, may dry clean. It says cool iron. I don't know. But you want to see what I'm working on? And like I think I said, no, I said it was a design, but there's going to be a tutorial. And that is the stitch. And it looks so pretty, and I think it looks a little complicated, but it's not. It's not. And like always with my tutorials, I'll walk you through it. And yeah, so far that is it. And just loving this stitch. This I'm going to block because I think it's gonna really, really, really show the stitch when it's blocked. Yeah. So that's it. I can't wait to get into those other you know, the greenish, yellowish green colors. Can't wait to get into that with this. So I'm excited. Do they recommend needle? Yes, I said they did. I mean, a hook. I don't crochet. I mean, I don't knit. Gee whiz. Santa's fault. Yeah, 4mm, and I'm actually using a 4mm. Yes. Okay, so I have 4 of these. I'm pretty sure it'll be enough. I hope it'll be enough. Otherwise, I'm going to make another order with the Knitting Network. Yeah, so what else was there? What are you guys working on? Are you making that sweater that I just put out last week? Yeah, that sweater. That was fun. I've made you know, it's made from side to side. The body part is you just crochet the sleeves on and stuff. Make your neckline any, you know, if you want it low, I show you, or I tell you how to make the neckline. So you can make it deep or not deep. And yeah, so I named it the Darla sweater to keep things simple, but also because I had made a side to side summer top before, and I think I call it Easy Breezy Summer Top. I'll try to link everything below or up here that I'm talking about in the video. And so a bunch of YouTubers had started making it. and it was so cool. But they were calling it the Darla top, which is fine, which is absolutely fine. But when I made this one, when I was making it, I was thinking of different names for it. Like it's worked from side to side. So I was thinking about on your side sweater, crochet sweater, on your side, something like that. And I thought, wait a minute, I'm just going to call it the Darla sweater, just straight up the Darla sweater. So I figured, you know, if anybody makes it, they could say, I remember the name of this one. It is the Darla sweater. Hopefully people will remember the name of it. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Oh, and this, what I'm wearing. Yes, I have a tutorial for this. This is a poncho, which I had made to wear, actually I had made it to wear, so this is down the front and back, so it was, comes down to about here. If I had more yarn, I would have made it longer, but, and then that way, and the points were here, so the sleeves were longer. You could go like this, and it would, you know, cover your arms right to your wrists. So that's how I made it originally to work, but it's, you can wear it like this with the point at the bottom in the front and back, you know. So, and it has a you know, little turtleneck on it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about if you haven't seen it. So I made it to be like this, and you can stick your thumbs in and like that, you know. But yeah, so it could be worn 2 different ways. I would have made it longer, like I said, if I had more of this yarn. And this was a, well, I talk about it in that video, but it was a hobby. Hobby. The girls on bingo, do you play hobby bingo? They pronounce it a hobby. But anyway, yeah, butterfly, I think it was called butterfly yarn. Yeah. And this design is called the Gentle Butterfly Poncho. All right, so I think that's it for today. What are you guys up to? Are you crocheting? Are you doing housework? That can wait. I'm doing some laundry. It's very cold here in Winnipeg, Canada. Very cold. We have some snow, not a lot, but it's very cold. Very cold in Manitoba. I think it went into the -30. Oh, in the daytime, it was -30 Celsius the other day. No, -33 Celsius in the daytime. I'm going to put on the screen what that is in Fahrenheit. I know with that system, when you get to minus 40 Celsius, that is the same as minus 40 Fahrenheit. I know, how do we live up here? I guess when you're born into it, you know, you get used to it. You dress in layers. I don't know if I'm really used to it, but dress in layers, yes. Crochet all kinds of warm stuff to wear, yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks, bye.